everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Best Buy credit card account online. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in Best Buy credit card login and press enter. From the search result displayed on the next page, pick this first link that says Best Buy credit card login or apply, and once you click on that, this will open up a new tab. In the login area displayed on the next page, go ahead and enter your user ID. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember My User ID box at the bottom, and you won't have to type it in again and again next time you log into your account with this particular device. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Once you do that, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on Retrieve User ID or Reset Password link respectively in order to look for your user ID or to reset your password. If you've not registered your Best Buy credit card yet, click on Register Your Card button at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your credentials correct, you can click on the Sign On button and you'll be able to get access to your credit card account right away without delay. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.